Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove and assemble your wipers. In this case, it's a wiper rubber, the wiper blades. Let's start. In this case, I'm using the BOSCH aero blades for the removing and assembling of the blades. And this car, of course, is a Vauxhall Corsa E. First step, lift up the wiper arm. There you can see there is a lock, plastic locks, two of them at the bottom side of the wiper arm. This you have to push in, and at the same time you have to move the wiper blade out of the wiper arm hub. Job's done, as you can see. Now we have to assemble the new blade. There are two locks at the bottom side of the wiper arm, and on the top side there is an arrow. This arrow is a lock 2. This lock you have to place inside the new blades and then go on the downside, on the rear side, as you can see, and push the two plastic locks in position. That means in the middle push, then locks them to the wiper arm. Job's done. Get back in position. The first step is now done. Yeah, mission accomplished at the first time. Now go to the passenger side and move the wiper arm up. Then you have to push the two locks into the middle and remove the blade on the upper direction. Yeah, there it is. Good job. Now we have to assemble the new part. The new part, you see, there is a little nipple on top, and this will match as good to the arrow place at the new blade. On the downside of the blade, there are two plastic locks. These two plastic locks push into the middle and then lock it on the hub of the blade hub holding system. Get them back in position. Job's done. Now it's testing time. Yeah. Sit down and have a look to the new blades. And as you can see, they are nice working blades. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.